Okay, so we're here so we can learn more about Indian hair. I'm testing out an Indian vendor, so I wanted to go ahead and share what I thought about the hair with you. I've already unboxed the hair, but I haven't thoroughly, checked it out. I've been very busy, so I haven't had a chance. So I was like, why not do it with you guys? So I've been looking at a lot of different videos, and I just couldn't find what I was looking for about Indian hair. So I'm like, okay, if I'm gonna test this vendor, why not kind of tell them my thoughts, some of the questions that I had while I was looking through YouTube, and then maybe that can answer some of you guys' questions. And like always, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this video so I can give y'all more videos. And if I'm trying another vendor, or whether it's my hair, which is Blissfully Bhrie, okay, Blissfully Bhrie Hair. So I wanted to give you guys more information about that. So let's just get started. So I have 3 bundles of hair that I'm trying out on myself. Let's just go ahead and take these out of the package. Hold on. Okay, so I'm trying out 3 bundles of hair, and let me just tell you guys, I do love it, right? But we love all hair at first glance, right? It's after that first wash. I hope y'all know that. After that first wash, if you have some, pretty good hair or not. Now, you go through some other tests, but it's really after that first wash, because I have had some hair that was terrible, okay? So this is Indian wavy. Each texture is a little different. So this is, I have 16, 18, and 20. I probably should have got another bundle, but I just wanted to kind of test it out. And luckily, this company, I didn't have to buy like 10 bundles or so. So that was great, because me personally, I don't want to buy 10 bundles and then after I try out the first 3 or 4 bundles, depending on the length, tell you that I hate the hair, And so now I got these other bundles that what I'm gonna do with it. I can't sell it because I hate the hair. So I'm not about to sell it just to make my money back. It's just a loss, right? Name of the game. All right. So I have these 3 bundles, and I can tell you the smell, it doesn't stink. It smells like, I guess, whatever type of shampoo you use. Now, it's not like, oh my God, I love the smell. It's not like that, but it's not stinky. Of course, it's not corn chippy or any of that. Let's see. So this is my 16-inch bundle. I'm not seeing any lice or anything. Trying to see, you guys, what I see. Yeah, I'm not seeing any of that. The bundles look pretty thick. You can kind of tell that. Let me show you all 3. They look pretty thick. So, and I was going for kind of a natural look. I should have gotten, and I didn't notice any hair, by the way. That's what I was trying to test. I didn't notice any anything wrong with it, just taking it out the package. So we're definitely gonna tell after that first wash. I'll go ahead and I'll record that, so that'll be in part 2 of this hair, so stay tuned so you can see. But I'm running my fingers through it, and it's pretty good, y'all. It feels so soft. I will say that. It's super, super soft, so I'm excited to go ahead and install it. I'm gonna use a U-part wig. I'm gonna make a U-part wig with it, because I don't know, I'm kind of, for me, I'm over the lace right now. Not like done, just right now. I just don't want to, I want to go back to the old days, I want to use a little leave out, just a little bit, probably a middle part I'm going to go with, but the ends look really good as well. So I'm loving it, and I did get 1 strand, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but I did get 1 strand of hair. But it looks really good, you guys. It looks really, really good. As you know, with raw hair, your bundles are not supposed to look the same. It's not supposed to have that, body wave shape or whatever shape. All your bundles should not look the same. So be careful with some of these vendors. I did have to use transfer wise with this vendor, so I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous because as much as I don't like PayPal, I had to use I had to use TransferWise because as much as I do not like PayPal, sometimes I like dealing with it because it gives me a little level of security, even though PayPal is trash. To me, PayPal is trash. But some of these, countries, like most vendors that I work with, they don't use PayPal. So, and it's kind of hard finding an Indian vendor that uses PayPal. Sometimes, you have a very few of them. And I mean quality, not this, I don't know what's being put out there, some of these vendors, but some of them don't use PayPal. So just, kind of listen to your gut about vendors like that. But y'all, I was so amazed with the shipping. So it only took about, because that was my first time using TransferWise. So, and I think it's wise.com or something, but I'll leave that down below. It was a smooth transaction. I've used MoneyGram and Western Union before and didn't have a problem. Thank God. But it only took about maybe 4 days to kind of get to me. It was super quick. Like, I was shocked because when she told me that she sent the hair, I'm like, oh, I must be getting scammed. I'm like, oh my God, I'm getting scammed. Like, this first time it's gonna happen to me and I'm getting scammed. But no, y'all, like, I checked tracking and everything, and as you can see, it's here. Like, she sent it right off. So far so good. I do like it. I'm gonna really test this hair before I try to sell it on my website. Right now I just sell Vietnamese hair, which I do love, but I love Indian hair. I've tried it before. I didn't care for the vendors that I tried before. And I can tell y'all one of them was, I believe, Blessings at the time. I don't know what it is. This was like pre-pandemic. And it just didn't hold a curl to me. So that was my problem. So I'm hoping I don't have this problem with this, but I love the waves. And honestly, I really regret, I should have gotten it longer. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I should have gotten it longer. But we're just gonna go with this natural look for now. So it should hit me maybe about here. I can't wait to straighten it. Now, I did do a burn test, and so the burn test, it told me that this is, real life human hair. So that's really good. And I keep running my fingers through it because I just kind of want to show you guys how beautiful it is. I hope you're catching this on camera. Like, it is really, really beautiful. You know how people dangle their little bundles, but it's really beautiful, and I love this natural brown. Now, it looks like it's all the same color except this bundle. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. This bundle looks lighter. It's lighter than these two bundles, but I don't know if you can kind of see it. But yeah, this one definitely looks lighter, but I like that it's full, and it's full to the ends. See, it's not like thin at the ends, but I really love it. It's really beautiful. So please stay tuned so that you can go ahead and, order this hair with me. Again, blissfullybhriehair.com. I'll put that down below. But I'll do a wash test so you guys can see. We need to see. And I did get a little tug, but that's good. And like I said, all the bundles are really beautiful. They're beautiful. So yeah, go ahead, feel free. And look at the ends, you guys. Look at the ends. Like, beautiful. Of course, now these ends look, this one is like it's giving me a little frizzy. Maybe this donor, but they all came from, each bundle came from one donor. So that's really good. So I'm excited to see this hair. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please stay tuned for part 2 so I can upload that. And that'll be me just washing the hair, and I'll have it installed as well so you guys can see that. I'm actually thinking about coloring it, so we're gonna see if I really do color it, because I don't know, I don't want to be dark. I want to kind of be light. And it's almost my birthday, so this is, of course, my birthday hair. So I hope it treats me right. Okay, but thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and last one of you who do watch my videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye.